Gonna take a dollar store paintbrush, some bleach, a t-shirt, a little bit of finesse, and make something really cool. Let's go.
T-shirt help desk.
All right, guys, today is going to be a fun one. We are going to print a t-shirt with bleach and some of these. All right, so let's get into what you're going to need.
You want a nice small to medium sized paintbrush. All right, got these from the dollar store. I also got these refillable paint pens, right? Got these at Amazon. You just open them up and you can put bleach in them and paint with them. Awesome. I'm going to show you where to get those later. And this is how it works. They also have the marker kind, right? You just take the top off. You can also take the back off on some brands and fill it up with bleach just like that. And you just use it just like a marker. But let me show you what not to do.
Now, guys, something that I've seen people do is they use those bleach pens, right? And those are cool, but they're really expensive. To me, they're like way overpriced. I've seen them for like 30 bucks and I'm like, are you serious? So you can get these like I showed you for like a couple of dollars on Amazon, and this I literally got from the dollar store. All right, and bleach costs you a little bit of nothing. Okay, so do that instead of getting one of those really expensive bleach pens. All right, remember where you heard it first.
More things you're gonna need is your bleach, of course, some type of cup to put the bleach in, your tape, and your reference. All right, and of course you're gonna need a t-shirt. We rock with BELLA+CANVAS. All the links for everything are going to be down in the description box.
And when I laid the t-shirt out, you're gonna see I put some tape down the t-shirt. Those are like my lines, right? Because what happens is sometimes if you just do things by eye, your lines could be a little crooked. You don't want that, so I put those down there to make sure that I stayed right on the line, so it gives it a much neater look. And also something that I did was I used a little bit of like what's called tailor's chalk, and I just kind of marked out where I wanted the letters to go so that when I put the letters there, it wouldn't wind up like going off and being uneven, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. And I also had this, right, these words right in front of me so I can just look down and I'll know exactly what words, right? And I just made everything fit. So without any further ado, let's show what I did. Now guys, I'm not really a calligrapher or really good with calligraphy. I just kind of winged it, you know what I'm saying? And I think I did a pretty okay job, you know what I'm saying? Don't beat me up too much, but you can do whatever you like. You can do whatever kind of design you think could work. All right guys, that's it. If you do something like that, make sure that you do it in a very well ventilated area or perhaps outside, because those bleach fumes can be Not good, right? Also, when you're done, make sure that you dump that thing in some ice cold water to stop the bleaching, because it'll just keep going and going. It'll get lighter and to the point where it can make holes, okay? So you want to actually stop the bleaching. And that's it. Guys, do something good for somebody. And I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. And here's some other videos to help you on your t-shirt journey. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.